Hola, bienvenidos to my channel. My name is Cathy Borrero, a.k.a. Cosambella. Y hoy les voy a mostrar la nueva máquina que compré. Sadly enough, my Toyota needs to retire. So I will show like the little differences between my Toyota and the new machine I bought a brother. So I'm really excited. This is my Toyota. It has really everything with it, so it's a really great machine. I mean, I hated it when my parents bought it, but I couldn't live without it. It has already 11 years with me, so emotional value. Ahora les voy a mostrar mi nueva máquina. Ay, touchscreen, no mentira. No, this is the brother INNOVIS A16. I bought it secondhand because why not? It's so much cheaper than to buy it new. We're here to give life to all things, so okay, so this is one, two, two, three. Okay. Where is 4? I guess this is 4, 5, and 6. 6 is through the middle, and I guess 7 is what? What is this? Oh my god. Okay, 7 is, I guess, here? I don't know. Here. And now there is 8 where you okay, there is 8 where you cut. Oh, here is 8, number 8. So, oh wow, this is so satisfying. And let me see, what is this? Oh, okay.
What is that?
This is for future me to get. Here is the handle to put your foot down. And I don't know, what is this? Oh my god. Let's put it on the beginner speed. Ooh, oh, look at this, is so smooth. Wow, amazing. So this is the same. Oh, this is one connection for 2 cables. Here I have the 2 connections apart. Mine doesn't have an on button, so it's just good to go, like you see. So this one here does has it. I don't think it has an on button. No. Okay, so this one has an on button. Ooh. Here there is a little light for you to see everything. Mine is broken since, I don't know, like maybe 7 years ago. Oh, look at this. So here you have like your little tool and everything. So this is nice. And mine accessory box is like this. Let's see what we have. Oh, did you see that? Wait. Oops. You can see, oh, it's almost finished, so I won't be stitching a ghost stitch. The speed. This is actually really handy. If you're not a professional, if you're just starting, this is really great. This one doesn't have that one, so the speed is actually your foot. It's just going to be how you touch it. Like that's the connection, so it's just like it's okay, but it can be scary because the first time I remember it was like my Toyota, I would have to do this, like, oh, so much work. Like I have to do this if I want the needle to go down. Here is just pressing, oh no, here this one, and it goes down. You still can do it manually, it's okay, but this is great. Put your needle down or up. How handy. This is how you want your stitch to be, maybe a little bit bigger or smaller, or maybe an in-betweener. This one I'm guessing is for the zigzag stitch, and maybe how wide it will go. It's going to be like, this is going to be really wide, I don't know. So I guess this is like the standard measurements. But yeah, I'm actually really excited to start sewing with this machine. This a new world, the future. I'm so sorry.